Alaska dry mountains stand as formidable sentinels, silent witness to ancient times. These rugged, treeless peaks, sculpted by millennia of wind and ice, embody raw, untouched wilderness. In this land of extreme, life finds a way shaped by immense challenges. The Alaskan brown bear, a symbol of brute strength, roams these slopes, foraging for survival in a constant search for sustenance. Agilely, doll sheep navigate treacherous cliff with astonishing grace, master of their vertical world. Above, the golden eagle, a monarch of the skies, survives its vast domain, its sharp eyes missing nothing. Here, even the most serene landscape conceal fierce struggle like the thunderous clashes of mountain god asserting domains. Every creature from the smallest ground squirrel to the most powerful predator poses extraordinary resilience. As the harsh daylight softens, painting the towering peak in hues of purple and burning orange, the mountains reveal their softer side. When the first star emerges, a lone wolf howls echoes through the vast silence, a hunting melody of enduring wilderness. Deep within the labyrinthine heart of the tropical jungle lies an enigma. The leopard, a master of stealth and unparalleled adaptability. This feline is a ghost among the trees. Its ruched pattern coat is a masterpiece of natural camouflage, allowing it to vanish within the dappled sunlight and dense foliage. With eyes that miss nothing, the leopard scans its domain. An undisputed apex predator, whether patiently waiting high in the branches or moving with silent determination through the undergrowth. Every action is precise, every instinct honed. Life in this vibrant ecosystem is a constant test of survival, where territories are defined with ferocity and agility. The leopard's strength is legendary, capable of hosting prey heavier than itself high into the safety of the canopy. As the day yields to twilights, painting the sky with of fire, the jungle begins its nocturnal symphony. The leopard, a creature of both day and night, embraces the coming darkness, vaginal, a vigilant guardian of its wild and untamed realm. The Amazon River is more than just water. It is the lifeblood of the world's greatest rainforest. Spanning thousands of miles, its murky depths hide some of the most specialized creatures on Earth. From the prehistoric black salmon guarding the riverbank to the elusive pink river dolphin, life here is defined by the rhythm of the tides. Beneath the surface, the struggle for survival is constant and unforgiving. The anaconda, a silent titan of the shallow, waits with infinite patience for the perfect moment to strike. This is a landscape where the hunter can quickly become the hunted. On the bank, the jaguar, the undisputed king of the jungle, keeps a watchful eye on the flowing waters. Every ripple tells a story of survival. As the morning mist evaporates and the day reaches its peak, the river remains a poetic masterpiece of nature. When evening arrives, the water turns into a mirror, reflecting a sky of fire and gold. In this liquid empire, the cycle of life flows eternal. High above the cloud, where the air grows thin and the wind screams, a shadow cut through the sky. This is the peregrine falcon, nature's ultimate bullet. Imagine a creature that can fall from the heavens at over 200 miles per hour. This isn't just flying, it is precision engineering at its most lethal. With eyes that act like high-powered telescope, the falcon looks onto its target from miles away. Every feather is tuned for speed, every muscle bullet for the strike. Watch the sheer intensity of the dive, the stoop where gravity becomes a weapon. In the golden glow of the dying sun, it engages in a dogfight for dominance, outsmarting rivals with breathtaking agility. It is a master of the vertical world, a king without a throne ruling the thermal with an iron grip. This is the pinnacle of aerial evolution, fast, fierce and flavorless. The sky doesn't belong to the birds, it's belong to the assassin. On the isolated volcanic shores of Indonesia, a living relic of the dinosaur age still roams, the Komodo dragon. It is a 10-foot titan wrapped in chainmail skin and armed with a prehistoric patience. This is not just a lizard, it is a cold-blooded tactician that has survived for millions of years. Feel the ground tremble as it moves. Every step is heavy with the weight of ancient history, with a sense of smell that can detect life from miles away. It stalks the sun-drenched land like a ghost. Watch as two giants collide, a brutal display of wrestling and raw strength, fighting for the right to rule this scorched earth. They are the apex of their world, fearing nothing and challenged by no one. In the amber light of the golden hour, the dragon stands as a reminder of a world time forget. It is a ruthless, beautiful and terrifying master of survival. The dragon hasn't just survived history, it has conquered it. The humpback whale is the undisputed performer of the Pacific, weighing up to 40 tons. These giants defy gravity with breathtaking reaches that leave absorbed in awe. But beneath the surface, life is a complex dance of survival and connection. A dangerous of the abyss. During the mating season, the ocean turns into a battlefield. Males clash with thunderous forests, competing for dominance in a display of raw natural power. It is a struggle of endurance and will. From the intricate art of bubble net feeding to the rhythmic laps of their massive tails, every move is a calculated step in their journey. As the day ends, the Pacific sun dips below the horizon. The water turns to ink, agents a sky of burning orange. The humpback takes its final breath of the day, disappearing into the quiet starlit depth of watery kingdom. An extreme macro high fidelity cinematic sequence focusing on a large orb weaver spider auditory and physical world. The camera stays inches away from the spider's cephalothorax as it begins its complex web-building ritual. Every sensory hair on its legs vibrates with life. The audio is the primary focus. A crisp rhythmic ticking sound as its chitinous clav grip the rugby bark, followed by the high-pitched elastic zip of liquid silk hardening into solid thread. As it is pulled from the spinneret, you hear the macroscopic hum of the web acting like a guitar stirring whenever the spider tests the tension with its front legs. As a small fly becomes entangled, the sound escapes to the frantic, buzzing vibration that resonates through the silk met by the spider's rapid soft scuttle over the sticky thread. The sequence concludes with the wet, crunching sound of the spider's fangs piercing the prey exoskeleton, creating an immersive organic experience. Imagine a creature as long as 3 school buses, cutting through the dark Atlantic like a silent silver blade. This is the fin whale, the greyhound of the ocean, second only to the blue whale in size. It is a masterpiece of organic engineering. Look closely at its asymmetrical face. The lower right jaw is creamy white while the left is dark charcoal, a biological mystery hidden in plain sight as it lunges through a shimmering cloud of krill. Its throat plates expand like a massive accordion, engulfing tons of water in a single thunderous gulp. But the true magic lies in the voice. The fin whale emits a low-frequency pulse, a deep booming moan so powerful it can travel thousands of miles across entire ocean basin. It is a song of the abyss, a rhythmic heartbeat that vibrates the very water around it. Witness the raw power of its 50 tons body breaching the surface, a breathtaking moment of grace before it vanishes back into the silent, crashing blue. In the heart of the densest tropical jungle, a legend breathes. The black tiger, a rare, melanistic marvel, is the ultimate shadow hunter, while other predators rarely on speed. This tiger mastered the art of invisibility. Every step is a silent promise of precision. Its dark coat and evolution for the deep forest shadows makes it nearly impossible to spot until it is too late. Life here is a consistent chess match between predator and prey. Whether crossing treacherous streams or battling rival hunter for territory, the black tiger moves with a lethal grace that has no equal. It is the king of a hidden world, a ghost in the emerald leaves. As the evening sun sets, the sky ablaze with orange and purple. The jungle brings a transformation. The light fades and the shadows grow long. For the black tiger, the day is just beginning. It merges with the darkness, a silent sovereign of the night. The Pacific Ocean is a world of infinite horizon and hidden depth, covering one-third of our planet. It is a vast blue wonderland where the scale of life is truly staggering. Here in the open sea, predators like the great white shark rule the sun-drenched upper layer with effortless power. Below them, vibrant coral reefs act as bustling underwater cities home to a kaleidoscope of life that depends on a delicate balance. But the peace is often shattered in a flash of silver swordfish tear through bad balls in a high-speed display of hunting precision. It is a relentless pursuit where only the quickest survive. From the ancient sea turtle navigating the current to the mysterious school of hammerheads in the deep, every creature is a part of this oceanic machine. As the day ends, the vibrant blue of the Pacific turns to a deep, dark indigo. The setting sun leaves a trail of liquid gold across the ripples. A final salute to the giants that call this endless blue home.